Alright, what's going on YouTube? It's your Uncle Josh and your baby boy, Kato. Sweetie. And today we have a special unboxing. You can tell it's special. It is, at long last, my Vue. This is probably reading backwards for you. My Vue glasses. And then show you what's inside. I don't think you can read that, but your better every day starts today. It's a little cheesy, but I'll give it a free pass. It's a free pass. There's nothing else in there. It's just the packaging. All right. Okay. All right. There we go. You mind? There they are. There's a little speck of dust on it. I think that was there when they packaged it. Okay, well the case is bigger than I thought it was gonna be. But I mean, it's not huge. It's not. I'm not gonna have problems finding a spot for this. There's the USB-C port here on the side. Okay. They're beautiful. Leave that over there. Cool. So these have my prescription on them. I forget what the name of this black is called. It's just the default kind of classic black. Not much different to my. Not a huge difference between my current lenses and these ones. It is a little smaller. But let's go ahead and give them the little fit test. Everything looks fine. Everything looks like it should with my prescription. I can definitely feel the little bone conducting, these little nubules on the side of my head, which is a new feeling, but I'll get used to it. And they fit pretty good. Like I can move my head and like rock out. And I don't feel like they're gonna come off or anything. So I'll be able to play, like I play badminton, so I'll be able to play in these, no problem. Let's see what else is in the box. I mean, there's stickers and stuff that I need to take off. We'll get to that. But let's see what else we got. This is your quick start guide. We're gonna have to take a look at that. You want to smell? We've got what looks like little rubber pieces with an adhesive back. You peel off and you stick onto something. I don't know what these are for. It's probably explained in the quick start guide. Here's the charging cable. It's USB Type C. Add to my collection of charging cables in the house. And they provide a complimentary little what do they call it? Lens cloth. It's got their little logo down here. The text version of the logo. Let's go ahead and open that, see how it feels. Did they skimp on us or did they go all premium? Okay, it's pretty standard, like it's a little stretchy. Actually, okay, it doesn't stretch. It doesn't go back into. I'm just stretching it out. It's pretty standard. Quick start guide. Let's read it. Okay. Here's another slogan for you. Better your every day. Alright, should we start with that? We'll start with that. Okay, get started, download the app, and then putting the glasses in the case. Place the glasses in the case with the right arm first. When the glasses are charging, the LED light will come on. Okay, well, let's try that. That's the first step, right? Let's go ahead and... I have my own... like I said, I have plenty of USB Type-C cables around. So let's go ahead and we'll plug in. You see that light turned on? Can you see that? Oh my god, there's my Splatoon. Shout out. So the right arm is going to go down first. What is right arm from who's... Okay, they've got a little diagram, a little image in inside the case. So it's going to be this one that touches down first. Do I have to press it in? No? Did I do that wrong? Make sure the leg with contact is underneath. Oh, okay, yeah, I do have to push it down. It does fall down into place. Okay. The next step is on Quick Start Guide. Okay. Oh, this is charging your Vue. Okay. Battery status of the Vue glasses will be on the side. Charging is orange. Fully charged is green. It's orange right now. When fully charged, the case can be taken on the go and will recharge your glasses up to 3 times. Now that's a cool feature. Okay, turning on your glasses. Vue automatically turns on when you open the legs. Make sure as little hair as possible is between Vue speakers and your skin. Okay. The touch panel. The touch panel is located on the exterior of the right arm, shown above. Single tap to answer phone calls or play, or pause or play music. Swipe to switch to the next or previous track, and a double tap to hear your fitness metrics or to hear the time of the day. Oh my god, I'm not going to want to hear my physical fitness metrics. Lens care. If you order prescription lenses, check to make sure it is correct on your invoice. Never place your glasses down lens first. Keep your glasses in the case when not using them, and only use a microfiber cloth to clean the lenses. Assistants get all your answers at enjoyvue.com/help. So that's that. I kind of want to put them on. I'll put on my normal, not cool glasses. Bone conduction. Bone conduction is great for quiet environments like the home or office. Bone conduction isn't great for loud environments where the surrounding sounds may drown out the audio. Turn down the volume in quiet environments to limit leakage. Turn up the volume when in noisier environments. Okay. Okay, and then the rest of the cards are actually like warranty and fine print. That's it. That's everything in the box. Let's go ahead and turn them on and see if we can get it paired with the app and get it playing music. I'll be using it mostly for music, and then my wife sends me texts, like not texts. She sends voice messages, and it'd be great to see if I can get that working with this. She keeps telling me to get some like earbuds, with earbuds, and I keep saying my Vue glasses are coming someday. They're here now, so I'm hoping we can get that. I'm gonna go ahead and take the this touch panel sticker off. There's something about peeling stuff off of stuff. Like when you get a fresh appliance and you peel the stuff. Oh my god, it's so loud. How do you turn it down? I just heard it. I don't know if you heard that in the mic. I kind of hope it picked it up, but it just said, "The battery is low!" Like really loud. Okay. I'm gonna pair this with the app. I already downloaded the app. I've been so excited to get this. Log in with Facebook? Sure. I love logging into stuff with Facebook. It's got my details all wrong. Okay, there's a little bit of setup involved getting your little profile set up. Right. Sure. Name. Sure. Name, gender, birth date, height and weight. What do you need my height and weight for? I don't know what my height is in inches. I'm 5'11". It was at 71. 21. That's what I'm gonna put for now. 145 pounds. Next. Power up. Make sure your Vue is charged. Don't tell me that. Let's go. Location required. Allow location data. Okay, cool. Location is on. Next. Put your Vue on. One step ahead of you. Connecting. Press and hold your finger against the control pad. Okay, sorry. And then hold for 8 seconds. Am I in the wrong spot? You took 0 steps today and burned 143 calories? You can't hear that, but I can hear it. That's cool. I mean, those are some sad statistics, but okay, it looks like the battery's at 0% on the glasses. I'll go ahead and charge up the glasses to full, and then we'll try this again. So, okay, I'm back. I got the audio connected. I had to restart my phone, and I charged the glasses. They're reading 89%. That's good enough for me. I want to finish this video. So I can hear my music now. The audio is really flat. I've never had anything that was a bone conducting sound system before, so I wasn't exactly sure what to expect. I didn't imagine the same sort of audio quality that you get from like this kind of thing, but it's worse than I thought it would be. It doesn't sound good. Like I'd rather put earbuds in and listen to music over this, but this, honestly, this is 100% perfectly acceptable for like phone calls, and listening to someone else talk. And I think that's probably where I'm going to be using it most often. It'll be interesting tomorrow when I go to work, because this connects Bluetooth to my car audio system. So who's gonna win? I wonder if there's a way to drag the ordering of Bluetooth devices. I'll find that out tomorrow. That doesn't have to do with this. The audio for music, no. It's gonna be a no from me. For calls, yes, it's gonna be yes. For listening to my wife's voice messages, yes. Overall, very cool. I like the look of them. I wish that the sides, I wish there was an option to get matte. I know there was an option to get like carbon fiber, but I didn't like the look of that. I wish this glossy side, where it's a touch panel, whatever, I wish it was matte black like the rest of the glasses are. Oh, there, yeah, you can see it there. That would be nice. I'm at first, when I first put them on, I can really feel the these little nubbins. You see the little nubbins I'm talking about here and here? I can really feel them against my head. But that feeling, that sensation goes away after maybe like when you start doing anything, really. You forget that little bit of pressure is on your head. It's not uncomfortable. I can see myself wearing this. I like the look of them. The feel of them is fine. The audio quality is fine for calls. I'm happy with them. Overall, I'm happy. It was worth the wait. I'm a total nerd for this kind of stuff, and I've been needing to replace these frames for a long time. So I'm happy to have these now. Merry Christmas to myself. Congrats to the Vue team on, the whole Kickstarter, getting rewards out to people. That's not, I've done a Kickstarter before, and I know how not easy it is, especially when things start piling up and unforeseen issues happen and things that are relatively out of your control that you have to fire control. So big props to the team for getting this out. It's amazing. This charging case is really cool. The glasses are good. They got my prescription on them. I'm ready to wear these to work tomorrow and have nobody notice any change at all, because they look quite similar to what I was wearing before. These frames are actually a little bigger, but I doubt anyone will tell. I got the anti-glare coating because my eyes get tired. I'm in front of a computer screen for 8 hours a day at work, and then for however many hours remaining that I'm awake, I'm in front of either TV or computer, playing video games or doing computer things. So I needed that. Anything else? Any other thoughts from us? I don't think so. I'm happy to have them. Yeah, I'll take some photos, close up of my face. If you're following on Instagram, you'll see that in the story, and I'll probably just make a post about it. So that's it. Okay, wait, no, I forgot to do the whole YouTuber thing. If you like the video, give it a like. We try to do, like, whenever I get a cool tech thing that I think is worthy of a review, I'll try to put it on this channel. So subscribe, maybe. We've also got other videos. You can take a look. If you like the other videos, subscribe. Check us out on Instagram and Twitter, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks.